Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Less than 2 weeks to the first day of autumn, but smoky and hot under red flag conditions right now. You're looking live over Plumas County where the Dixie Fire is still burning.
That's right. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking the conditions all around our major wildfires. Jason, what can we expect while this warning is in effect?
Yeah, unfortunately, we're going to have the wind beginning to strengthen later on tonight through early tomorrow morning as this Pacific storm that I've been talking about the last few days starts to move over Northern California. That is why we have most of our region under a red flag warning. Now, there are various warnings here on the map. They'll all expire at different times. Around Trinity County early tomorrow morning before sunrise. Mid-morning for Siskiyou and Modoc counties. We'll have early afternoon around the valley and foothills, and then to the far east where we'll still have some more gusty wind. That red flag warning actually lasts until 11 o'clock tomorrow night. We have gusty wind. We have, unfortunately, the potential for some more dry lightning strikes, which we certainly do not need. Everything is still so dry, and we won't have great amounts of rain, but thankfully, measurable rain is actually in the forecast for the first time in months. Right now it's 97 degrees in Redding and Red Bluff, 99 degrees in Chico and Corning. Topped out at 103 degrees today in Oroville. Right now it's 101 and it's 93 degrees in Paradise. But it is cooler than yesterday, between 3 and 7 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago. You can knock about 10 degrees off the temperatures tomorrow once the storm that hasn't even moved on shore yet finally moves over our region. So we have some spotty showers of rain, isolated thunderstorms again, mainly over northwestern Lassen County, but the main body of this storm is still going to get here during the overnight hours. It's taking a little bit longer for it to get here. You can see on Futurecast now keeping that line of rain and thunderstorms west of Trinity County at 11 o'clock, but the clouds will be there. Then by 2 a.m. it gets a lot more interesting. A better chance for rain, unfortunately some thunderstorms in parts of western Tehama and Shasta County, Trinity County too, Glenn County also. By the middle of the night, 3 to 3:30 in the morning, a better chance for the middle of the valley to have some rain and thunderstorms also, and that will continue to progress eastward across the valley during the early morning hours. So 5 a.m. pushing against the foothills, then we'll have more of the rain and thunderstorms exiting California and pushing into Nevada by early tomorrow afternoon. But we're going to have a lot of clear sky before that happens, and we'll also have some more rain. Now, as you can see, we'll have a chance for some rain. Now, this is the most enthusiastic of the three storms or the three models rather, that I've been looking at. It's giving many places at least 1/10 of an inch, some places in the mountains over 1/2 inch. That's probably overdone, but if you're near one of those thunderstorms, you could get one of those downpours and you could have locally heavy rain. We'll still have some gusty wind though as that storm moves overhead, especially in the valley late tonight through early tomorrow. Here's that cold front. By the time the sun rises, the valley wind begins to weaken. The wind will start to blow more over the eastern plateau, and then we'll still have some lingering breezes on Saturday afternoon for our eastern counties. So for tonight, it's going to be an active night for Trinity County, hoping for no lightning strikes, but that is unrealistic. We're going to have a chance for rain though, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and the clouds will be gone by mid-morning. For the northeastern part of our state, going to have to wait until the early morning hours, 5 to 8 a.m. for the chance for rain and thunderstorms, highs in the 70s and 80s. For the ridge, same situation between around 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. That's the best chance for the ridge to have some rain and thunderstorms, highs in the 70s and 80s. For the valley tonight, we'll have the chances for rumbles of thunder and rain during the overnight hours between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Highs tomorrow will be much suppressed, upper 80s and lower 90s for the north part of the valley, and also a chance for the rest of the mid-valley to have some rain showers, thunderstorms between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m., perhaps 6 a.m. if it takes a little bit longer. Highs 80s and lower 90s, but most places won't receive a couple 10s of an inch of rain. Next 7 days in Chico, it does quiet down and heat back up by Tuesday. Sunny and 95 degrees. And for Redding, 90s across the board. Best chance for wet weather is going to be late tonight through early tomorrow morning.